Hey guys, we've got the wiring harness in this engine bay all cleaned up and sleeved up, ready to go. We want to add a finishing touch, and the best thing to use for that, to clean up these connections, is heat shrink. Let me show you how that's done. Just grab your shrink, slide it over the application, get it positioned where you want it, and then grab your heat source to shrink it down. It's as easy as that. As you can see, this was a pretty simple process. We chose to use the heat gun because we feel this is the best tool for the job. But you can use pretty much any heat source, from a lighter to a torch to even a blow dryer, as long as it gets hot enough. Regardless of what you use, we feel that heat shrink is the best way to finish off your projects and give you that professional finish.